Okay, so I will take V as an center and VF as an a radius, that distance in the compass. What I will do, I will mark an arc. I will mark an arc. So from F, I will mark an arc. So this is my arrow. So मैंने क्या किया, V पे कंपास रखा, V अप रेडियस दिया और यहां से एक आर्क मारा. दिस विल कट ऑन दिस वर्टिकल लाइन. This point I will mark as an O. Okay, and now I will join this point, this line. So what I will, C to O I will join. So फिर से मैं बताता हूँ what I have done. With V as an center, VF as an radius, I will mark an arc. It cut the vertical line at point O, and then I join C to O, and I extend this line. Okay. Then from F, I will take angle 45 degree. This angle 45 degree. Now this 45 degree angle cuts this CO line. Let's, this point will be M. Okay. And then from this M, I will drop a perpendicular line. This is perpendicular line. This point will be here. Now, why I have done this procedure? Because I have to draw an ellipse. So this is the ellipse. So this is my first starting point and this is my end point. So this distance I have to fix. This is V, one end, and second V is at this end, because this point is moving and comes to this end and again back to, comes to its original position. So this much distance I have to fix. What is this? V to V. So this distance V to V I have obtained. Now this V to V distance, this called as a major axis of the ellipse. This is called as a major axis of the ellipse. So this portion, this is the initial constructions to understand the construction of a ellipse. Anybody has a doubt into this procedure? Yeah, am I audible?
So what was the major axis from V to
Yeah,
which point?
your voice
So
is
major
low.
axis was
Major
hello.
axis.
Am I
Yeah,
audible?
major. Huh?
Yes. So the major axis is from V to which point?
V to V means end point. Listen. If this V point is started, it will travel like this.
Okay.
Right, and it will then reach to this position. So in this way this point will move and it will create a ellipse. Okay, so this V will comes to this extreme end here and again move back to its original position. So this horizontal travel means horizontal distance from this end to this end, This is called as a major axis of the ellipse, and this vertical line, this is the minor axis of the ellipse. So here what we have done, we have find out our major axis first. So to get this major axis end point, what I have done, I have taken 45-degree angle from the focus, and it intersects this CO inclination line somewhere at top M, and
नहीं,
from
थोड़ा
that
ज्यादा हो
M
गया।
I have draw perpendicular. So I got this point.
अरे नहीं, तुम दोनों बहुत, हम बहुत दूर थे, मैं और वर्दी बहुत दूर थे, बहुत।
So you get
और
the
हमारा
end points. Now your rest procedure is to find out the intermediate
इसमें
points.
नहीं मार भाई, मेरा मार में गाड़ी नहीं फोड़, मतलब गाड़ी
Okay.
फोड़ते, बट मैं तो सीधा बंदे भी मार।
Just somebody is talking. Please unmute your mic and then talk. So अब हमें क्या करना है, इसके अंदर के पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं हमको, हमें मेजर एक्सिस मिला है। ओके, अब वही प्रोसीजर करना है बाद में। तो यहाँ का प्रोसीजर, यहाँ तक का जो प्रोसीजर है, सो यू कैन क्रिएट दिस अप टू दिस इन योर स्केच बुक्स, एंड इन टुमारो वी विल कंप्लीट दिस फिगर। Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये प्रॉब्लम लिख के लेना है। उसके बाद ये इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन जो कहा मैंने, एक वर्टिकल लाइन निकालो, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन निकालो,